Hey y'all, y'all already know what's going on.
He's trying to get us on YouTube, y'all, but he better make me rich and famous first.
It ain't much to say.
Okay,
It's official.
When the light come on, 1, 2, 3, action.
Getting to the back, making sure the bread right. I'm just doing me, trying to live my best life. Shooting for the top, never gonna stop like I ain't got no brakes. I ain't stopping.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Alesia Marie, back again with another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my TikTok, my Instagram, my Snapchat to see like my latest updates as my everyday what am I trying to say, y'all? Follow me on there for my like everyday up-to-date posts that you can see. And I hope you guys enjoy my little apartment tour. I know this was like long overdue because I've been in this apartment like 6 months now. If you guys want to like help me purchase anything for my apartment, I do have an Amazon wish list, and anything you purchase will be sent right to my home, and I will show you guys the things you guys purchase for the home. I will unbox them and everything for you. There's nothing expensive or nothing like that on there. I didn't go crazy, but it's little things here and there that I'm still trying to purchase by myself. So if you guys want to help me out, I genuinely appreciate it. So I'm not gonna do too much talking. I just hope you guys enjoy the video. Until next time, I love y'all. Bye.
Anyway, you always got on some fire blue suit. Your cufflinks are shining all bright.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like you don't know my name. Will you never know? Oh, baby, 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 I see us on our first date. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And when we had our first kiss, it happened on a Thursday. And oh, it set my soul on fire. Oh, baby, 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 I can't wait for the first time. My imagination's running wild.
Every night I rest in my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes. I'm going out of my head, lost in the fairy tale. Can you hold my hands and be my guide? Clouds filled with stars cover your skies, and I hope it rains. You're the perfect lullaby. What kind of dream can be a sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare? Either way, I don't wanna wait. Turn the lights on. Sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Your love's too good. Turn the lights on. My guilty pleasure, I ain't going nowhere. Baby, long as you're here, I'll be floating on air. 'Cause you're my sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wait. Turn the lights on. Mention you when I say my prayers. I wrap you around all of my thoughts. For you, my temporary. I wish you when I wake up, you're there. So wrap your arms around me for real and tell me to stay by my side. Clouds filled with stars. It's here, guys. This is my kitchen table. I'm so excited.
Alesia, this can't be it.
He's being a party poops.
This is
I'm
just one chair.
great.
Me trying to install this table for y'all. This way. Woo. I'm just coming home. It's my little Christmas decorations. I need to buy a wreath for my door. Y'all, my apartment is nowhere near finished, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all anyway. So let's go. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is what you see. I'm literally by the door. So the first thing you see is me. Hey y'all. Don't mind my little stained pajamas. But you see my little entryway table. My apartment is not done, y'all. It's so much stuff I want to get, but I've been in here for like 6 months. And I'm like, might as well just show y'all what I got. I just got home, so I just put my stuff right there. I just did someone's makeup. So this is my bookshelf for Christmas. I'm decorating for Christmas. I moved into this apartment in May. So I got everything you see at the top shelf from the dollar store. I got these fake books. They're fake, y'all. They're literally like, let me show y'all. Fake little books from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put some real books up there and start reading more. This little Alesia I got from, I think it was Etsy. It was supposed to be way bigger than that. I guess I ordered the wrong size. It came in wood, and my mom like bedazzled it in glitter because I wanted to just throw it away, but she was like, no, you could do something with it. So I just stuck it there. And then I got this Christmas sign and the Santa Claus from at home. When Christmas is over, I really don't know what to put on my bookshelf, so if y'all can give me some ideas, I'll appreciate it. And then nothing is on the other 3. This is just my hooks and my ribbon to go on my tree. And then when you come over here, I have my TV. That was mounted on the wall. Let me put on my little, y'all, I love to come home and put on my fireplace. I was watching my girl. Oh Lord. But anyway, that's my girl, Kyra. Stay watching Kyra, y'all. Like, I love her. One day I want to be just as big as a YouTuber as her. Like, look at them numbers. Look at them numbers. Can y'all please like, comment, and subscribe to get me up there, please? Okay. Anyway, I want to put right here a TV stand, fireplace TV stand, and some bar stools. This apartment does not come with a light. Like, see, there's no light. So I have to put my lamp on. And I did go ahead and start the process of putting up my tree. I ordered everything online, so it didn't come in yet. This is a very tall tree, so I'm waiting on the balls and the tree skirt and everything that I ordered for the tree. And my theme for the apartment, of course, is purple and teal. So And the way I came up with these colors is because I personally love the color teal, but I fell in love when I googled teal and purple from this. I just googled those two colors together because I feel like I needed another color to go with teal. And when I saw these pillows pop up on Amazon, I fell in love. These pillows actually came with the couch. They didn't look like this at first. If y'all watch my last apartment tour, I just got pillow covers from Amazon and covered them because I have a dark gray couch. I want a big, pretty rug, y'all. Like that's why I said I'm nowhere near done. Trying to do everything, decorate everything by myself. It's kind of hard. This picture doesn't go in here at all. I'm gonna eventually take it down and get the one I want that actually has purple in it. There go me again. My long mirror from at home. My vase. I think I got that from Home Goods, but I painted it because it used to be teal. I'm actually gonna transfer these little, I don't know what these are called, these little tree things. I'm actually gonna put them in the bathroom. That's why I say I hate to show you my apartment now because it's not done. And then I got this little rinky-dinky lamp that I really don't care about, but I'm grateful and appreciative that I got a lamp. And then I got these beautiful curtains. Oh, camera not doing it justice, but these are some pretty beautiful curtains, purple curtains. Turn on some light for y'all. Y'all, these bar stools I want, there are to die for. Like, they're so, oh my god, I can't wait till I purchase them. And then I love this area of the house. I need pictures to go up there on that wall. I painted that wall myself, which I'm going to insert clips of me doing a lot of that y'all are going to see. This rug I got from Walmart. This trash can I got from Walmart. Trash can I got from Walmart. This table I got from Amazon. The chairs I got from Walmart. It did not come together. I made it go together. Placemats, Amazon. Flower on the table, Amazon. I painted this bar black. It used to be silver. I will insert a clip of that as well. I also want to change that ugly lamp shade. So, this is the kitchen. My little laundry sign, because my apartment did not come with like a storage pantry. So, y'all don't mind my one little plate. A lot of stuff in here came from Walmart, Pop Shelf. My drawers are not the best organized. Purchased the washer and dryer, which I need to, like I said, y'all just got home. I need to take these clothes out and put them in the dryer. Like I said, it's not organized to the T. If y'all want to be nosy and see what's in there, like I be wanting to see in people's cabinets. Refrigerator. My little, what is that called, y'all? I can't think right now. My little coffee maker, my mugs, my blender. Y'all, for some reason, I can't think of what this is right now. Jeez, it's late. Y'all see what time it is? 11:30. But yeah, this is my favorite part of my little apartment, honestly. So then, I also got that from Amazon, y'all, to put my little blankets in. I also want to get 2 end tables to go on the side of the couch with a big rug. My bar stools, like I can't wait till it comes together. I actually got this plate was a gift from my grandma that came from Home Goods. She actually made this vase for me with my colors. And then if I go into the bedroom, I think this lamp came from Home Goods. This picture came from Burlington. My bed set. I got my little, I want to put a big old picture of myself in black and white up there. My Google. Y'all, I just threw my McDonald's on the dresser. I love sweater weather. Okay. Anybody who knows me, I love this color. That's how I got inspired to put teal inside of my Oh, the camera not focusing, y'all. Sorry. That's how I got the idea to put. My mom actually made this bouquet as well. But that's how I came up with the color teal for my room, because I love the Tiffany box. The curtains. My laptop. Some Fashion Over pants. You come over here, is my closet. Nothing too fancy, y'all. Nothing too fancy. I need some organizers. I love all black hangers, as you can see. Yeah, but y'all, my closet could be way more organized than what it is. For the theme for my bathroom, I'm going with black and white. I also need a vanity chair, makeup chair here. I miss doing my makeup videos for y'all. I just haven't been consistent. I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. I just been working. I'm trying to post on my days off. Anybody who know me know I love mahogany teak wood. So, y'all, I'm going to link Amazon wish list in the description box. So if you're feeling generous or want to help your girl out, you can purchase some things from my wish list, and it should be shipped to my home, and I can unbox them for you guys on here. I'm in the process of transferring all my towels to black. I'm gonna do a pop of teal in here. Like I said, them brown things are going in here in the bathroom. So because the theme in here, I want to be black and white. My shower, y'all, I got this little thing from Amazon. The shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. My little purple and teal concoction in the bathroom. So that's that. I also got that from Amazon because my bathroom didn't come with a pantry. My kitchen didn't come with a storage pantry. I got these two pictures from Pop Shelf. So yeah, y'all. I'm trying to make my apartment as homey as possible. And that's my perfume wall. Oh, what else? Oh, I tried to organize under here, y'all. I tried, like, your girl, I tried. Like I said, if you want to purchase something from my Amazon wish list, I also have an organizer in there that I have to wait to get till I can purchase that. And come back to the front. So yeah, y'all, this is my apartment, 1-bedroom apartment. Please drop down in the comments what you think I should do to the apartment. Y'all can leave ideas. I'm always open to how I can put things and change things and make it homier. But I love it so far. It's coming together. I think I got those from Marshall's. I didn't show y'all. It's my seasoning cabinet. My rice and sugar. I need some organizers for in here. I think in there I have just water. In here, y'all, don't judge me. Some pots. In here, I just have like my Ziploc bags. I need an organizer for under here too. So everything just kind of thrown together, honestly. Because like I said, y'all, I'm always at work. So, yeah.
Asking for no favors, girl, I'm proud of you. I